I'm here to show you how to generate translations in bulk using AI, all while referencing your existing product information, and then sync that content back to your store with no spreadsheets involved. And it will all take about 5 minutes. In my case, I want to translate my descriptions into Spanish. I already have my description here, so I'm going to duplicate it to create a Spanish description. Now I'll edit with AI to auto-generate those translations for me. So I'll choose here where the translations will live. And the best part about using AI and Plytix is that I don't need to manually copy-paste information or context about my products because it already lives where my product content is. So I'll just reference my existing description here in my prompt, and you can add as many instructions as you prefer for the length, the tone of voice, and so on. And a pro tip here is that you can also include your branding guidelines for different purposes, like I did here for my Spanish translations. And then in one click, my content will be generated. My Spanish descriptions are ready after just a few seconds, and now I can send them back to my Shopify store. So I'll start by heading to my channels tab. Here in my Shopify channel, well, I'll send content back to my store, but here's where I can actually bring all of my markets, the catalogs that belong to them, and all of the languages that I want to send translations to. Here I have my Spanish language enabled for translation. So now I just need to map the translation for that description that I just generated. Here at the very bottom, I see my Spanish mapping. So I can just quickly add here my Spanish description. And to sync my changes, I'll click process. Now this was an example using just one field, but imagine all the time you could be saving for all the fields you're having to translate manually or copy-paste into spreadsheets. This is a much easier way to generate your translations using content you already have and sync them back to Shopify in just a few clicks.